Good morning. It's about 6 o'clock. I got up maybe about 20 minutes ago. Took care of the shrimp, got ready for the day, because today I'm going to band Coots. Yay! We have to do it really early just because birds, I guess, are active at this time as opposed to other times. And I don't know what's going on with all of that. There are a lot of bugs. And I have no idea. Oh yeah, insects fly in the morning. They fly in the morning and they fly when the sun goes down at sunset. So if you ever turn lights on, it's really good to wait like after sunset or before or after sunrise, because then the insects stop flying. Because now, like, a lot of these insects that are flying are like little beetles, little flies, and big beetles, some bees, and yeah, there are a lot of them. Mostly just ants, like flying ants too. But yeah, if you don't want to be bugged by bees or other weird insects, actually, I have an idea. I'm gonna go to the pink bathroom. So yeah, we're gonna be banding Coots, and after we're gonna go looking for birds in one of the coastal wetlands here. So should be a really fun day. Hope I get to see a lot of exciting stuff. I'm really excited to see what kind of plants are growing in the wetlands, and what percentage of the wetlands are like native or non-native. But yeah, so I guess I will keep you guys up to date as this day progresses. Yeah, so bye. So we just caught some Coots, and our Leona's putting on Coot body armor.
It's a good idea.
Beautiful day.
Keeping it a little bit cleaner. And then Randy Rhodes' idea is for the body armor.
Nice.
Oh no, I think it was someone from the Big Island that was here getting Mapaloa. Oh yeah, that was it. Anyway, okay. Now I gotta get my bag. Okay, so.
You beat yourself up in here. Do it.
Okay, Joy, come on.
So these are the Coots that we just got. They're in bags right now, but hopefully we'll be banding them soon. We just moved them into the shade. And there you can see the one has a white facial shield. They're really pretty birds. Hopefully I'll be able to show you more of them when we get down to banding. But some of these birds may be recaptured from other islands, either Maui or Oahu. So that'd be really cool if they are. And yeah. So these are Hawaiian wetland birds.
That's why we keep everything tied up tight.
Oh.
We do not like birds escaping on us.
The coot has one of the most unusual pictures in these books because of their feet. And they can run because of the way their feet are designed, that they can actually get up and run on the water.
Mm-hmm.
They have webbing on their toes
Yeah.
instead of between their
Oh,
toes.
cool.
Right.
565.
565 grams?
Minus, yep, minus 60. 565 minus 60. Wow, girl, you have gained a little touch of weight.
That's good, right? Is it-
One of the things I'm trying to figure out is there a fluctuation in their weight because of their collar?
Oh, okay.
And the pathologist at USGS on Oahu just asked me to band only 30 birds so that we can have a comparison.
Yeah.
And then hopefully we're going to continue to recapture them over like the next 5 or 10 years. And then we'll have a comparison to the collared birds weigh less than cohorts that...
So you guys are just looking at the effect of the collar on like weight.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait. And also, just recently, like one of Randy's birds over on Oahu, she's one of the UH students. She came over for early on boot camp.
Oh.
I trained her. So she, oh, you kind of beat yourself up in there, sweetie.
Wow, this feet.
These are the feet.
Yeah, they're trippiest thing.
Wow.
Very
That's
cool. Okay, this band is still soldered. That's good. Measure your bumblefoot.
I'm a lot less interested in it now.
Toe. Yeah, wait.
I might have one inside.
Can they grab each other with their feet?
Yeah, so what they do... Oh! Oh! She's molted again?
Wow.
Oh my god, I could have sworn she molted once already this year.
Yeah.
Is that a normal diagnostic
Well,
that you
we're
take?
just learning that some coots have actually molted twice in a year. All their primaries, which we never knew they did. We thought it was only like once a year. Oh my gosh.
Nonetheless, knowing why.
And so we don't know what. Oh, okay, molted. Images. Well, actually, it's only the primaries emerging.
Everybody's pretty leery of the trap now.
Yeah, we're going to go to Hapilo and survey there, and then we're going to come back. We're going to give them like an hour or so. Wow, girl. I could have
Very
sworn you
enthusiastic.
already molted once this year. This is kind of cool. It's nice. So then Peter Pyle and I are going to write a paper on coot molt.
Oh, cool.
Do you know Peter Pyle?
Nope.
Oh, okay. He is the molt man on the planet. You want to know anything about bird molt? You talk to him. Here's one of his books right here.
Quite a few.
Most of what I know about birds is at University of Montana that I worked where the insect lab was. We also had a flight lab, and they did a lot of study on like the evolution of feathers, and since we're in Montana, like it's kind of a good place because you can do
Did
the
you ever meet
paleo.
Wally Johnson?
Nope.
The plover man.
No, I haven't met
He's the
him.
plover man of the planet. And he's a professor at University of Montana.
Oh, really? What's his name?
Wally Johnson, Oscar Johnson.
Okay, maybe. That's weird.
He is the plover guy. He's really cool. Nice.
I'm a feather guy. I love feathers. I love the whole morphology, everything about feathers.
Yeah.
They're unique. They're so perfect.
I just swear I pulled out my tail.
Tail measurer.
Yeah. Maybe I just fiddled with my fingers. Oh, I fiddled with my fingers. There we go.
Do you think the waste treatment plant smells worse after a Friday night?
Ooh, where we going? A feather for her. After Friday night.
Yeah. You know, everybody buys a 12-pack.
No,
on
it
Friday
smells.
night.
No, it's
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
Yeah. No, it really smells after they dump Mrs. K's.
So what are you
Grease
looking?
Now I'm looking at her tail, which is 55 long. 55 long. Oops. 55. So with the tail, when you measure from the orpidial gland right here. You kind of put this in, and you're looking at where the feathers start. Right there, and you measure So she's at 55, which is one of the longest tails she's ever had. Oh no, the last time. Oh no, yeah, it's one of the longest tails we've ever had on her.
Coot armor.
Now you understand why. So when we measure the tarsus, we go from the joint right here. You can use your fingernail sometimes to figure out where it moves, to the first full scale, which is right here. So when you move the toe, right here, that's your first full scale right there. So we go from there to here.
And why is that measurement important?
And it's diagonal. Because we may be able to actually age them based on tarsus length.
Oh, cool.
51.46. And we suspect at one point that she had oh, Steve, what is it? Is it avian malaria? Is it, what is it?
West Nile?
Not West Nile. No, we don't have West Nile here yet.
Avian pox?
That's the big thing.
Yeah. That she had avian malaria at one point because her shield discolored. And you can see here how it's really very discolored. It never quite recovered.
So these guys have resistance or not so much?
Oops. I'm sorry, girl.
You want to put this in here?
Yeah, if you could put both of those in there, that would be great. Yeah, we're thinking that they may be able to develop a resistance to it.
Oh, cool.
Come on, come on, come on.
But do they still have a high mortality?
Well, we don't know, and this was the first time that it's been known to occur in coots, but we really don't know. 1.80, because you have to have an open lesion to do a punch test, a punch biopsy. And by the time that the punches came in, she'd already healed.
Yay, data.
Pissed off at me right now.
Got a bunch of spoiled coots.
Oh, I got one with some blood in it. Right. Yay.
You got what's with some blood in it?
Got a feather with blood.
Oh.
Now I'm measuring her shield height. Come on, girl, just go with me, please.
Oh my gosh, they're funny.
I keep wanting to see anybody seen the lease in the last few days?
No. Did you see it at your place? It's split.
Not since 2 days ago. Before the rain.
Please, just got one more measurement for you. Just one more measurement.
Yay, field work.
I did see that Sanderlin you were talking about.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really, it sticks out. Yeah. Oh, she's going through a full body molt too. Okay. She's got... Yeah, she's going to go through a full body molt too, which is really cool. Okay, just feather. Okay, Steve, you want to go release her?
Yes.
Okay.
This paper's my favorite part.
Yay.
Oh, I know.
Oh, wait, her bumblefoot. Sorry. Got to check her bumblefoot.
Yeah, I was going to say, you can see it.
I knew there was something I forgot.
What is that?
Bumblefoot, pododermatitis.
Oh, okay.
And the coots here at the wastewater plant get it a lot. Could you just put those
just because it's wastewater, or?
Yeah, probably. That's what I suspect. So we have that.
That would make sense.
Right? Isn't that nice? It's great.
So you're going to use that for DNA, or?
Yep. Left is... that page there. Right. Lower one. heel is, come on. Stop fighting me.
Come on, give it up, Missy. You know the drill, Missy. Come on.
Yeah, she's been caught enough.
Here's a big one.
I'm going to the little one first. Let go, girl. There we go. Let's see.
It's pretty big. Next one up.
Okay, that's 6.75. Let me write this down. 6.75 is the heel, and now this is the toe. Okay. This toe is a new one. Glass. Okay. 12.3. Okay, girl. Stay here. Mark down that she's also going to a full body pose.
Okay, there we go. Okay.
Alright.
I don't want to see you. I don't see you. We gotta check them out. I want to see you for a little while.
There goes all the coots. And they can run on the water. Cool. So that was our first bird.
That's their coolest.
We have 2 more birds to go. So, should be fun. We're making a Christmas coot.
Making a Christmas coot, yay! She's like, maybe I should make a Thanksgiving coot and make it orange and yellow.
Yeah.
Red and green.
Okay, so I'm going to write this down. We are,
So now we're going to put the band on this new bird.
and the tricks that I do are this tab. I want the tab to finish out this way because I'm right-handed, so it's easier for me to solder and make a good solder. So I flip it this way. So when I put it on, I unroll it the opposite of how I want it to come on. There we go. Come on, everyone. Oh, jeez. You really wiggled on me, didn't you? Not stretching it like that. That one. Okay, and now I'm going to make you a Christmas coot. So
Yay. I think this is a good coot to make a Christmas coot. It's in good condition.
Thank you. Oh, thanks, Steve. Okay, here comes the sun, so we're going to finish just in time. It's too hot. Later on, you know, if we get any, we can pull into the outside over there and hide the car.
Oh, nice.
Nice little Christmas cootie.
A very white head shield.
Yes.
Well, kind of.
This one is like a cream. You have really dinged your shield in the past too, haven't you? Okay, so now I'm going to do these. I'll do this one first. Good. Gotta be real careful not to burn the bird.
So your banding color is green,
somewhere else.
and then your red is
came in from somewhere else.
Right, they just flew in from
Perfect. Perfect. Yeah, we're probably getting movement over here, peeling out. Yes, my marker color is green.
And then the red is.
And this is any combination. I can use any combination of color bands that I want to on the opposite leg, and that tells me from a distance we can read the bands.
Oh, okay,
that'll tell
cool.
us what individual bird it is.
Okay, and then you'll already have the number.
Yep.
Okay,
Yep.
cool.
So when we see this bird with a green-red, then, you know, out here on the berm, then we'll know that that is this particular bird here.
Okay.
Probably even, well, yes, I think that Nishimoto has a green-red banded coot, but his marker is blue.
Cool. So we just made a Christmas coot.
Send that out on your postcard, your Christmas card.
Exactly. And now what are we looking at?
We are looking for the vent.
Oh, for...
Now, coots have really cool tails. It's a little inverted heart. See how it's
cute.
a heart? Yes, we like our cooties. Come on now, where are you? There we go.
There's the vent.
Now, I said this one's a male.
How can you tell?
There's a little teeny tiny, there's like a little V right there.
Okay.
And with a little extra bump right there. So, it's not perfect. It's better when it's in breeding season and when the bird is in breeding condition. Right now they're not quite in breeding. So, that's another reason why I'm trying to tell.
Cool.
I'm trying to look at the shield also, because then I can tell, okay, the testosterone level's really up, so perhaps, you know, this one is in breeding season, but it's still no guarantee. And these feathers are fresh, so it is recently molted. And there's some little pin feathers on the belly and stuff, so.
Full body?
Yeah. Anything out there yet, Steve?
Nope. Glad you're not doing a dove study.
Yeah.
Still an unbend.
So now we're just finishing up taking the measurements, and then we're going to release the coot.
Here you go. I love that running in the water thing, man.
Yeah. That's great.
Especially when you know, when you find out that their feet are like specifically designed for that. I think they're the only bird like that. I mean, we've all seen those pictures of the geese and the bigger birds that have a hard time getting out of water.
Yeah, the only other bird that I can think of that does that is the African finfoot, but they use it for diving.